Hi guys, this is Junaid Ali and you're watching English Language Education. Guys, today's lecture is related to vocabulary. In this lecture, I'm going to share 10 vocabulary words which are used for your speaking purpose. Okay, I have also given Urdu language meaning. If anybody is Pakistani, if anybody knows Urdu, he can understand through Urdu. Otherwise, I have also written some sentences you can understand easily through examples. The first one word is wise or witty. So now I'm going to give example. He is a great and wise. A wise person is never bookish. He is a great and wise. A wise person is never bookish. Okay. And guys, the next one is silly. It is the opposite of wise. I don't like silly people. No one is silly in world. No one is silly in world, but it depends on mostly people. They pretend they are silly. Okay. Otherwise, God never created any person who is silly. Okay. And the next one is skip or avoid. They both are synonyms and they have same meanings. Don't skip these ads. Don't skip these ads. Avoid this rubbish task. Avoid using the rubbish language. There are so many examples you can create from your own side. You know that if you have some vocabulary, you can make sentences easily. And guys, the next one is expectations. Expectations. We have good expectations from you, as we can pretend sometimes. Okay, the example is this: I have good expectations to him. I have good expectations to my son. Okay. And the next example is parents have good expectations to their children's. You know that parents always have good expectations to their children. They think that their children get good marks, so they expect something better to their children. And the next one is miserable. Miserable. He is a miserable person because of his fate. You think that a miserable means no one is good. Anybody's fate doesn't support, that is miserable. He's a miserable person because of his arrogance. Okay. You know that arrogance is also a meaningful word you can easily use. I have also given some examples related arrogance and arrogant in another video. You can watch that video. That video also helpful for to understand arrogance. Arrogance mean I don't like arrogant people. The next one is awkward. Awkward. Don't talk to me in awkward way. Don't talk to me in awkward way. He always uses awkward sentences. And the next is sincere. He is sincere to his parents. I like him because of his sincerity. Okay guys, and the next one is beautiful. Incompetent. Next one is incompetent. Nail. I don't like Nawaz Sharif because he is incompetent person. You know that Nawaz Sharif is previous prime minister of Pakistan, but now he is incompetent. I don't like Nawaz Sharif because he is incompetent person. So I have put the examples here. In other examples also I have given there's no place for incompetent persons in this world. Okay. And the next one is blame. Blame. Don't blame on me for these rumors. I didn't blame at anybody. And the next one is admirable. Admirable. This work is admirable for me. Him. Appreciable. Appreciable or admirable are both are same. He has done admirable work. Next one is splendid. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Stunning. These are the synonyms of splendid. This idea is splendid. This idea is splendid. This is a splendid place. Okay guys, this is my lecture. You can understand this lecture through examples easily. If you haven't understood this lecture, you can ask a question and through with me, and through comment I will answer you. If you want to contact me, I will give the my WhatsApp number in description. You can contact me easily. I will answer your question. Thank you very much.